Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a clear flower nail. It's been a minute since I've done a voiceover. This one just took a really long time to do, so I figured I'd do a voiceover. So first I am gluing on my tips. I grabbed the sizes that I needed, and I have those like kind of throwaway Macart little glues, which I think work the best in my opinion, because if they dry out you just throw them away, but literally I've had that one forever, it seems like. Then I am going to take off the shine and kind of blend it into my natural nail. That was too hard to say apparently. And once we do that, then we will dust that off, make sure that there is no dust on there, and we're gonna come in with gelish foundation. So I like to put majority of it on my natural nail and then fade it a little bit down the fake tip. All right, now we're going to do a second layer, and this is the gel that I'm actually going to stick the flowers and glitter into. So I really liked that gelish foundation has a little bit of a thicker consistency, but you can get it on super thin as well. So it kind of like dips in. I don't know how to describe it. I just really enjoyed it for this process. So I'm taking two glitters. I don't know where I got them. I think the bigger ones were from the haul I just did. And then I'm taking this glitter that I don't know what it is either from Light Elegance, because I wanted some gold in there. I debated doing gold flakes, but I wanted gold glitter instead. And now we're gonna repeat the process. So I'm actually starting with the gold glitter, and I actually forget to put the gelish foundation on. And you'll see me once I start to put the flower on and you're like, wait, why isn't it sticking? So I do end up going in and adding that gelish foundation.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough.
Taking IBD gel, and we are going to encapsulate this. So I like to do a nice thin layer, and then I grab a larger bead and I'm going to walk it down the nail. I take these right off, so I'm not going to do a super high apex. I mean, I still want it to look good, but it's not going to be the full extent it needs to be.
It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
like magic, we are buffed and filed. So I'm taking Kira Sky's No Wipe top coat, or maybe their regular top coat, but I've actually already done the underside. So you wanna do both sides, the top and the bottom, because it is clear. And that way you will have a nice clear nail. This is a pretty easy one. You could also do the lazy girl method with this one and just do it underneath. I just love this tutorial. It's just so fun. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow.